Hello guys, welcome to my page. Today I'm going to be talking about the crypto market outlook for next week, which is 24th to 29th of November 2025, and this is Web3judge once again. So first of all, if you watch my last market outlook for last week, you will notice our prediction went as predicted. You understand? The price went as predicted. We talked about if market breaks this range. If market breaks, the market was ranging. And we talked about if market break down or break above. We were expecting much of market breaking above to touch this resistance here, this liquidity here. You understand? Then before moving to 86k, but rather markets, did the other way which we predicted. We predicted breaking above to hit this price, and again also predicted breaking downward, retest, then go down to 86k, and the market did what? Break down, and what? Retest. When retesting, based on confirmation, I shorted the market to 86k. Understand? I shorted it to 86k, so the market went as predicted. Now this is another new week. So what are we going to be looking at today? First of all, we all know that the market is bearish. Sellers are in control, so there will be more of selling. The probability will be more of selling than buying, but there is a cash here. Why? Market has just went down to a support zone, understand, to a demand zone rather, which is this zone marked with this line. This zone here, rather inside this box. You understand? Inside this box is a demand zone. Understand? For the weekly time frame is a demand zone which market has just touched. Understand? So what are we expecting from this zone? What am I expecting from this zone? I'm not that expecting much, but I'm expecting a market shift here. Understand? I'm expecting within this zone. I'm expecting a market shift, or rather a flip zone. Creating a flip zone whereby market would shift from sellers to buyers. And as you can see here, we already see that market has been buyers has been active here, trying to push price above, although buyers are not yet, buyers are not fully in control yet, but they are trying to break through. As you can see here, they are trying to break through, and the momentum is not that strong enough, so they are still trying to break through. Understand? Meanwhile, sellers are still in the market. Sellers are still in control, but buyers are trying to break through. So now, without much ado, what am I expecting? You can see these two red zone, or rather these two red lines here, which is 85 to 81k. I did draw this line when the market was a bit ranging, and market breaks above, and created a small bearish candle, which is more like retesting. Then now market is heading upward. What am I expecting? I'm expecting markets this week. I'm expecting market to go to retest. If it won't retest again, because it has already retest, you understand? It already retest. If it won't retest, is either it retest, then come down to this zone here, or just no need of retesting, breaks above this this high here, retest, then hit our point here. Understand? Hit our point here. That is my prediction. Hit our point here. From here, I'm expecting a sell. You understand? From here, I'm expecting a sell because there are sellers here. Sellers are still very active at that zone, so I'm expecting a sell from that zone. And upon my expectation, with confirmation, if that sell holds, I'll be shorting down. I'll be selling down from that zone to this zone, which should be my first TP, and push it downward if it retests, and if it retest or did a pullback and the selling pressure is high, I'm expecting a breakthrough down to this zone again. You understand? To this boss here. You understand? To this boss. Oh, my network. I'm expecting a sell. Just wait for the network to. Oh, okay. And the network is back now. I'm expecting price to to this zone. That is that will be my trade for next week. Down there is just my trade for next week. Understand? So I'm not expecting much. I'm just expecting this a sell from this zone. A sell from this network is giving me issue now. I'm just expecting a sell from, I think it's 90k to 91. Let me check again. Oh yeah, 90k to 91k region. I'm expecting a sell because meanwhile buyers are building up here. Because I'm expecting a market shift at this region. You understand? I'm expecting a market shift at this region. You understand? So buyers are building up here. If the sell came through, I'm expecting buyers to take over again, then push, just buyers to build up from that zone. So that is just my market outlook for next week. So let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.